Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the very interesting function about a background light. Okay. Alright, from here you see the display word is black, but you push here for 1.5 seconds, it become light blue, well dark blue. Okay, let me turn off the light. Alright, see? Okay, push. Okay, next. Yep, that's the function for at the night. Pretty cool. Okay. See? Come back. Alright, there's one thing you're gonna need to know is from the manual book it says if your battery low, showing like this, that means the light won't work. You're gonna need to know that. Yeah. Sometimes you keep pushing here, but it show later you couple times you show up like this. Then that means your battery low, not enough for the light. Yeah, no light. Okay. Thanks.